Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to query Dataverse Tables in SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. So to get started, you want to head over to make.powerapps.com and then select the environment that your tables are that you want to query. And then once you're there, go to the settings wheel right here. Then head to session details and you're going to grab your instant URL. You don't need to get HTTPS colon slash slash. You can just get org and go to the n.com. You want to grab that, head over to your database. Let me just disconnect. Connect here. We're going to go for the server name. This is where you put it in. Then from there, Windows authentication, you can switch it to Microsoft Entra MFA. Once there, you can put your username here. Just in case you don't know how to get that, just head back over, go to your icon, just click on it. It's just your email. So if you have these three dots, don't worry. This will capture it all. So if I just right click, you'll see it has the whole thing, my whole email. So I can copy that, drop my username, email there, hit connect. It's going to ask you to sign in. Now, once your authentication is complete, you can just head back to SSMS, and now you're connected. So you'll be able to query all the tables within Power Apps, your Dataverse tables. So let's just run a quick query. This is my custom table here. Maintenance, I think the logical or schema name is, okay, so GLP maintenance. So I can just copy this. We can run a query on here. So we have, let's see, we can do select GLP underscore name, GLP underscore comments, then let's just say GLP underscore date from, let's see if this runs. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm able to see the same information that's available from my table here. So AC not working. So yeah, that's how you're able to connect your Dataverse tables to SQL Server Management Studio.